So what happens with cat's eye powder when you put magnets underneath a big mould like this? While I put my gloves on, I'll tell you where this inspiration comes from. There's an amazing lady called Jessica, and her channel is called Flow Art by Jessica. I'll put you the links down in my video description information below, and also the link to her video. I've just watched it literally 5 minutes ago, and every so often this happens to me. I think, my goodness, why didn't I think of that? That's amazing. I'm going to try and replicate what she does in that video, only trust me, she's got a few extra tricks that I won't be doing here. In particular, her trick for keeping the magnets in place. Anyway, let's get some resin mixed up. I've got some magnets. These were just from Amazon. I've got some beautiful magnetic powders. Don't know which I'm using yet, but there's a set of them. Those are from Into Resin. So let's have a go and we'll see what happens. So the resin I'm mixing up here is my regular Apex High Gloss. Nice, straightforward, 1-to-1, dead easy to use, degasses nicely, doesn't yellow, doesn't give off nasty fumes and all that sort of thing. Right, let's get this mixed up. Now I want to do a slight twist on what I saw Jessica do, and that is use several different colours. So we're going to pour a bit of this into each of these little pots. I've got 5 pots plus the original one, of course. Going to get that made up, and then while that's settling and degassing and everything, we'll work out where we want to put the magnets. So a bit in each. Not sure how much this mould takes. It's not the usual little tray mould, it's kind of like the next one up in the sizes. I bought a set of 3 different sizes, and somehow I've managed to damage the small one. So yes, I need... Oops, made a mess. Yes, I need to replace the small one. If anybody wants the set of 3 of these, by the way, it was just, again, an Amazon bargain situation. I'll put you the link for them down in the video description below. There's a longer one, and then there's that little short stubby one that a lot of us have got, that you'll have seen in my other videos. Right, let's get these colours mixed up then. So the magnets will go underneath the mould. Now, some of you will know that recently I did a video where I was trying to get a cat's eye effect, and I probably used the wrong mould really, because I used a little fat frog mould. This I reckon we can do it with. Well, I've seen Jessica do it, so I'm pretty sure we can. I haven't really got the right colours to get the tiger's eye that I was after, which is a natural stone, of course. But we can certainly give it a go and see what we can do with other effects with other colours. Now, she did find in Jessica's video that if she put too much of the powder in, the magnetic effect wasn't quite so dramatic. And she also tried backing them with different colours too. So there's one. Let me just zoom you out so you can see the colours better. There we are. There's one of them. That's that one. I don't know what they're called. They're just numbered. This is number 3. By the way, if you fancy any of the resin, as I said, from Apex, and there is a 15% discount code down in my video description for you. I've also got a 20% discount on the Into Resin products, which are these lovely metallic cat's eye colours. So I'll put you the links for all that as well, because you might as well grab yourself your discounts, mightn't you? So it just looks like a normal mica powder at the moment, doesn't it? It's starting to do something odd in this pot because I put it by the magnets. So what you'll probably see is that the colours are sinking. Let me show you in one of the other pots. I think this one might be the easiest to see what happens in. But colours are sinking. Now watch what happens when I get the magnet near it. Can you see that? So that's what happens. It moves around on the surface. I'm going to give each one a little stir, and we're going to put it in different areas. Now, magnets. They're picking up everything around my desk. So I need to get these under here quite quickly. And I'm going to put them 2 at a time, I think. So there's a bit of height underneath these. 3 at a time? I don't know, let's see. How high is that? Is that touching the mould? Probably a bit too much. So 2 at a time. I might have to dispense with my gloves, which is probably not a good idea, but I might have to do this 2 at a time. With the gloves, I should put them back, well, put a fresh pair on when I come to actually pour the resin. Don't let me forget. Now, I don't want these to be evenly spaced either. We're going to put them there and everywhere. Jessica, if you're watching this, I have tagged you, so I hope you see it. Thank you so much for this. I had been trying to do magnets. I demonstrated them for jewellery a long time ago. But I had been trying to do them with, only in one video, but trying to show them with a chunky mould, which obviously was the wrong thing to do, with a big fat frog mould. And having seen your video, I thought, that's how you do it through a mould. Of course. Brilliant. So thank you. You have inspired indeed. Everyone do go and check her channel out. Her videos seriously are very good. There you go. So I haven't put them in... Oh, look, they've joined together. So I haven't put them in all of the spaces because I'm thinking that's probably what's going to happen for a start. Of course, this mould's got little voids underneath it where the strengtheners are. I'm going to leave it like that and see what happens. Right, glove. Now, as this is only pouring, I'm going to keep my other hand out of the way, thus saving a glove. Look at this. Can you see this happening here? Isn't that amazing? Let me just tell you what, I'll zoom you a bit more. There we are. And I'm going to sit down because I want to watch this from eye level, I think. Because I'll be able to see it from above later when I edit the video. This is one of those things that I really should have got 2 cameras going for, isn't it? Now you can see why this would be extremely beautiful just with one colour, can't you? I'm sure you can. However, I thought I wanted to try them all, or at least most of them. We'll see what happens. There's not a lot going to happen around the rim because I didn't put any magnets under the rim. Could do, of course, I could poke some under the side, it's not too late to. But look at this, and let's get this rich blue. I'm hoping for like a peacock effect. My goodness, that's incredible. I wonder what the other side's going to look like. That's amazing. Where are we going next? Have I not mixed up the blue? Oh, was that the blue? Yes, that's the blue, isn't it? It's a bluey purple. Here we go. What do I say? I am dying to see what the other side looks like now. Jessica tried it with and without putting different solid colour backs on it. I don't know what to do because she had lovely results with and without. So I'm a bit on the fence with that one at the moment. Look at that colour. I think I might be leaving this just clear on the back actually. Like I said, she had wonderful results with whichever way she did it. So watch. Here we come. That one's going. I think I want a lot more of that purple. I am going to put another glove on. Get some mixed up. It's that blue. I want more of that blue actually. That was in that pot, wasn't it? Oh, let's do a bit more of the pink. What I hope won't happen is that they will merge too much, and I'm hoping that the magnets will just hold them in place. Right, now I've got a couple of quite boring patches at the sides. So we're going to stick a magnet there. See it moving? And a magnet there. Oh, I put a lot of magnets there. That made a difference. You see? Whoa! So I think we want some more magnets. Look at that. Yes, I didn't want them all to be together, but hey, they have. Look at it moving. Can you see it moving? Oh, let's just do that. Oh, look, and that's pushed over there. Hey, right. I'm just going to leave that and see what happens. So I will see you in a bit. I'll hold it up to the light and we'll see if we can see what the other side's doing, and then see if we need to back it with anything. I wonder what happens if I swirl the colours a bit, because I did a little bit of swirling up here because I was trying to mix in that bit that went all wrong. Whether that will do anything or whether they will just pull back. Mind you, I do want the colours to not blend but do something like that maybe. I'm thinking we can do a peacock effect though. Look at that. See this? I bet we can do peacock. Anyway, I'll see you later and we'll see what this has done. Exciting, isn't it? See you later. Sorry about the rubbish lighting, but I've just come back to see what's going on. And it looks like stuff's happening still. Colours have kind of blended and merged a bit, but it's, yeah. Dying to see what the other side looks like. Anyway, I'll see you in a few hours. Right, well, welcome back. This has cured, and look at the effect. It's still very slightly soft, but I've decided to just put on the back just some black. But look at all these mad colours. I hope the other side looks as good as this. Even better maybe, because that's where the magnets are. Anyway, I've mixed up some just black, but I have put quite a bit of very fine holographic black glitter in it as well. So as you can see, we're just tipping that in, and this will be just the backing coat. I did decide to go with black. I thought about various other options, but then I just kept going back to, well, it's quite dark anyway, so why not go with the black? There's not much of it that's going to be transparent, is there? So there we are. I'll see you in the morning and we will demould. Fingers crossed, folks. Right, next morning. Some of that glitter's come to the surface, so it looks a bit funny on the back, but that doesn't matter because that is the back. Now look at the sides. Oh, I'm excited now to get rid of all these magnets. Like they tidy themselves up. Are we ready? Are we ready? I'm quite excited about this. Oh! And look at the colours moving. Now this is obviously I'm going to need to get this out in the sun and have another go at taking a photo, aren't I? But look at that. Well, thank you, Jessica. I have put your link down in the video description below. Thank you so much for inspiring this make. And I love it. And of course it's opened up a lot of other possibilities. I hope you like my take on it with mixing the colours. And there will be some lovely photos of this out in the sun following, so hang in there. If you've liked this video, you know what to do. There's another one coming up here soon that YouTube thinks you'll like, so enjoy. And I'll see you for the next one.